Hey, g'day, it's Mal out here at QMP, about to go for a ride on the 450. My 6-month turnaround on bikes is due, so 21, 450, can't wait to get out there and ride it. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on riding smooth. This car's not going to help. Okay, main reason for it is I just focus on riding smooth, not fast. So if you see me riding and think I'm trying to go fast, I'm not. I focus on smooth. For vet riders, how to stay safer, so I don't take any risks with what I do. Yeah, it should be a fun day. I haven't ridden this bike yet, so it's been probably 8 months since I've been on 450. So I can't wait to get out there and rip this thing. We'll get some good footage. Di's gonna be running around the track.
Right, so supposedly out here videoing Mal doing laps for his coaching video, waiting here on the hill. Mal is down here having a good old chat.
Okay, I've just done a few laps. The track is pretty rutted and very loose at the moment, so struggling a bit today, I'll be brutally honest. Coming back to a 4-stroke after 6 months on the 2E is a big change. So I got to learn to stop changing gears and just let the thing go. And man, getting used to a 4-stroke again, the thing stops when you turn the throttle off. So it's going to take a few laps, probably 3 or 4 laps or more to get used to the bike and the power characteristics of a 450. So bear with me, I'm going to throw out some laps and I'll come back and do some video on riding. I've got to learn how to ride myself first. 3rd and 4th gear, that's all I need to do, but I tend to be working the gearbox like I am on a 2-stroke. So it's kind of cool that I'm going to have to teach myself how to ride smooth again. So I'm going to video through some corners and a bit of straight, and you should be able to see how I'm smooth with the throttle, low in the RPMs, and yeah, just letting the bike work and let it settle.